Hello and welcome back to See Natural DIY. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this DIY brightening face and body butter. This face and body butter will help fade dark spots and even out skin tone. So let's get started. So to make this brightening face and body butter to fade dark spots and even out skin tone, I have my shea butter measured out in my beaker. In my shea butter, I have 75 grams of my shea butter, and next I'm adding is my cetyl alcohol, and I'm adding 5 grams of cetyl alcohol in my beaker. And the next is my cocoa butter, and for my cocoa butter I have 10 grams of cocoa butter. After adding this butter, I'm going to double boil it to melt the butters. And after melting it, I'm going to add my liquid oils. For my liquid oil, I use aloe vera oil, sunflower oil, and argan oil. And for my sunflower oil, I added 11 grams of sunflower oil and 22 grams of aloe vera oil. For my argan oil, I added 22 grams of argan oil. And all those oil, the aloe vera oil, I made it myself. Below this video, I'm going to drop the link on how to make the aloe vera oil at home. So after adding my liquid oil, I place it in the freezer to solidify. And at this point, I'm going to use my hand mixer to whip this butter. After whipping this body butter for a while, this is the consistency, and I'll continue whipping it until I get the desired result. At this point, I'm adding 2 grams of arrowroot powder, and if you don't have arrowroot powder, you can use cornstarch, rice starch powder to make sure it's not greasy on the skin. And the next I'm adding is 2 grams of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant, and that's why I'm adding it. You can also skip this process if you don't have it available. So after adding it, I'm going to mix it with my spatula. So after mixing it, you will notice there are some lumps in this body butter because I left it in the freezer for too long. So at this point, to clear that, I use my immersion blender to blend it a little. At this point, this is the consistency which I'm loving so well. So the next I'm adding is my essential oil. Here I have tea rose essential oil. If you don't have essential oil, you can use fragrance oil of choice. At this point, I'm adding my chamomile extract. Below this video, I'll drop the link on how I made this extract in case you want to make it on your own. So at this point, the next ingredient I'm adding is my goat milk powder. Remember, I mentioned that this body butter is a brightening body butter that will help even our skin tone and fade dark spots. And so after adding my goat milk powder, I'm going to mix it. Guys, at this point, this DIY brightening face and body butter to fade dark spots and even our skin tone is ready. The next is to transfer it into my sterilized container. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to this point, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Don't forget to share my videos, and if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.